Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a journal that I've made, and this is another butterfly themed journal. I've got another one nearly finished as well, because I'm getting lots of people asking, are you going to make some more, are you going to make some more? So I am making some more, and I'll probably do a few more, and then I need to get on to doing other things. So I do really enjoy making these. I love butterflies, so it's not a big deal to make them. I'll probably, in between Christmas and New Year, I'll probably still be making butterfly journals. So anyway, this is a traveller's notebook size. It measures 8 1/4 by 4.5. There is one signature. There's 92 pages front and back, and I've done the layering here with some music paper, some Edith Holden. This image here is from My Porch Prints. The word here is from ARTYmaze. That's a freebie on her Facebook group and also a website. Butterfly again is from ARTYmaze, and it's got a little piece of bling in there. This image has been stitched onto some doubled over coffee dyed paper. This is the patterned cardstock that I used, and that has been sewn onto coffee dyed cardstock. This will be available in my shop if you're interested. The link will be below. So we have eyelets and some string as a closure, and I will do a quick flip because here we go, I've got it in a knot. There we go. It's very similar to all the other ones that I've made. So thanks for the feedback on the no shadowing and stuff like that. Was it yesterday's video or the day before? I can't remember. Because I'm using a new angle, and all my lighting seems to be like directly right above the camera and to that side of me, so I wasn't sure whether it was causing shadows and stuff like that, because it's now nearly 5 o'clock and it's dark outside. So anyway, enough about that. Papers that I've used is from My Porch Prints, and these are absolutely gorgeous. Go over and check them out. Here we have a double flip out page, and that is by Terri Wood, and she is also permanently linked below. We have a tag here that's been coffee dyed and stenciled. We have some ephemera here from Tsunami Rose, and then we have this journal card here. We have a doily, some corner punching, paper bag. This is from Tsunami Rose as well. This is the old design shop. Here we have a flip out, and that's an idea from Climmies, and she is also linked below. And this is just some ephemera from the old design shop, which has been printed out and coffee dyed. Excuse me. All my prints are on laser. I don't use an inkjet anymore, so I can dip it into coffee dyed paper, coffee dyed water, just coffee paper. I can't even get that out now. Coffee water. Yeah. Anyway, do you ever get those days where you're trying to say stuff and it just doesn't come out? Anyway, I've done some stamping. More of the My Porch Prints journal card here from Dreams Etc. It's been backed onto an index card, and this is also a little tuck if you want to. You can tuck things inside there. Another doily, some corner punching, some printable ledger paper. Here we have some ephemera. Oops. That's from Tsunami Rose. We have a tag. This is a flip up from Rita Donnelly. She shows you how to do that, and again there's a link below if you want to go over and see that. So that's G Marie Scraps, her YouTube channel is, but it is linked below. Actually, if you search Rita Donnelly, her channel comes up, even though it's got a different name. Here we have tag, and that's been backed onto cardstock, and this is a freebie from ARTYmaze, and I love the coffee staining on that. So it's just a little try flip out, corner punched and stamped. There is tabs on the edges. There's 4 tabs throughout this journal. Centre of the signature. Excuse me. Another one of these flip outs. And another one of these. Look at that staining. I keep certain things, if they're too heavily coffee stained and grungy, I kind of keep them all, and then I use them for things like that, because I personally just like the pages quite plain and even in colour. Just my preference, everyone's different. Flip up there. We've got a large tag here, some ephemera from Tsunami Rose, and a little fold out kind of booklet thing that you can do lots of journaling on, and then just pop that in there. Butterflies are lovely. We have a flip up, flip down, done some stenciling on there. Ticket butterfly. Well, it's not a ticket actually, it's just a piece of cardstock that's been stenciled with this same stencil. We've got a tag and a bowl jar. This is from Tsunami Rose, and the tag is from ARTYmaze. Love that page. I love the kind of the drip of, it looks like the ink's all kind of run down the page. Since this is one of my most popular journals, I'm going to put some of these on a like made to order. So I'm just going to put a few on. I can whack these out really quickly, and I forgot to put something in there, so I will put that. So we have that journal card there. We have that, and this big tag, and this again is a Terri Woods inspired double pocket flip out page. These are just like little extensions on your journals. It's like adding another room to your house, isn't it? Yeah, I'm going to put a few of these on as made to orders, just maybe 2, because they are really popular, and I know everybody keeps missing out on them and getting messages left, right and centre. So it will be like all the same pages. They might just differ in how I house them within the actual cover, but all the kind of the tags and everything else will be the same. It will be in there, just maybe just slightly different layout. So I'm going to put a few of them on if you're interested, and then that way you can, well, as I say, I've got a few more in the go anyway, so they're more or less done, and that way if you want one, you've got a chance to get one, because I've got a lot going on next week. I'm going to do, as I mentioned it yesterday, the beginner's journal for a swap, so I'm going to be doing that in amongst doing everything else. And plus I've got ARTYmaze's brand new kit, which is the Asian theme, Asian fusion. Oh my gosh, if you haven't seen it, then you have to go over and have a look, and either buy it or or put it on your wish list, because it's lovely and I want to do something with that. My brain's working overtime on that one because I've never worked with that theme, but I have received journals in that theme, so I'm going to go through my journal that I've already got in that theme, and hopefully that will give me some more inspiration. But that kit is absolutely beautiful and it's huge. So it's called Asian Infusion or Asian Fusion, but it's ARTYmaze's new one, so go and check that out as well. So like I said, this will be listed in my shop, and everything else will be listed below. ARTYmaze, Tsunami Rose, Terri Woods, Rita Donnelly and Climmies. If you do have any other questions, then just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.